Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I have the Klein Tools ET300 circuit breaker finder in action. So this is the circuit breaker finder. It is the ET300. I went ahead and bought some accessories to go with it, so I went ahead and I bought this separately and also this. So if I'm trying to find a light circuit, I would screw this into the light circuit and then I will plug this in here to find the circuit breaker for a light circuit. So I'm going to show you how we use this circuit breaker finder. Before I do that, one little thing I must tell you that I don't like about this thing, and it is the power on button. I think it is turned on too easily. Look at that. It's off now. If I go here, just like that, it's on. So sometimes I will be walking and I hear it in my bag turning on. I just put it in my bag, I will hear it turn on and stuff like that. So I think they could have had a better power button, but nonetheless it do what it's supposed to do. So yeah, that's just one of the things I don't like about it. So come on, I'm going to show you how we use the circuit breaker finder. Okay, so let's say I need to work on this electrical outlet, but I don't want to turn off my main breaker. So I want to find the breaker that this specific outlet is on. So I would know that probably like 3 or 4 other outlet may be on this same breaker that this outlet is also connected to. So I will go ahead and power off that circuit breaker. So I will only have like 4 outlets without power, instead of turning off the main breaker, which is powering off everything within your home. So I will just go ahead and I will plug this into the socket. After I do that, now I will now go to my circuit breaker to find the breaker that this outlet is connected to. So let me show you how I do that. Alright, so as it relates to powering this on, you just, as I was telling you earlier, you just touch this button right here, and this is my panel box. According to the instruction, your first set is, the first run is to learn the different breakers. So that one was for learn. Now I'm going to find it. So if you notice, not hearing a beep right there, I'm hearing a beep on this one. I'm still going to check the others. I'm also hearing a beep on this one, so I think that's an issue right there because I'm hearing a beep on 2 different breakers. But no, I'm not hearing any beep on this one. Actively hearing a beep on that one, so I think this is the breaker. So let me go ahead and turn it off. So let me check to see if it is powered off. Okay, so if you notice, the light that was on this transmitter, this is the transmitter, so the light that was on this transmitter is now off. So that indicates that the outlet is powered off, right? So yes, we did find that circuit. Also, this doesn't work with any battery, so it is powered by this outlet. So when you plug it in the outlet, that's how it is powered. It is not powered by a battery. So there you have it. Also, I'm going to show you how you would find a light circuit based on one of the additional components that I bought. So I have my little additional component that I bought here. Plug my transmitter into it, and then I'm going to go ahead and screw this into the light socket. So this is the light socket that I'm going to screw it into. Go ahead and do that. The light is on. You can see the light and the transmitter on. So I'm going to go ahead now and find the circuit that it is connected to, or find the breaker that it is connected to. Alright, so it is already on. I'm going to go ahead and learn them. So learn. Okay, now that I learned them, I'm going to find the specific breaker now. Okay, I hear that one. Still going to check the others. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn it off. Let me check to see if it is off now. And yep, it is off. So you can see that it works accurate. It is a very good tool to have when you want to work on a specific outlet or light circuit and you don't want to power off the entire main breaker. Is a very good tool to have. Very good tool. I recommend all electricians should have a circuit breaker finder. As I said, I also have this additional connector that I have here that I bought, so you could plug it in and then you'll use this to clip onto wires. So what is this called? I think it is called alligator clip. I'm not sure if that's the correct name or that is the name that is used, but not officially. So yeah, you can use that to clip onto wires to find the circuit. So what if I didn't have an outlet here to plug it into, but I had the wires, so I would clip my alligator clip onto the wires and I could still find that circuit breaker. Yep, so that's it. Okay, there you have it, guys. That was the Klein Tools ET300 circuit breaker finder in action, and that is how you use a circuit breaker finder. So thank you for watching, guys. This was another video brought to you by Danny's Electrical Services, and for more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Danny's Electrical Services. Thank you.